What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Chase Freedom and what 5% cashback categories are coming up for the spring. Let's go. Alright, so since I haven't done a Chase Freedom card video yet, in this video, I'll just go over a quick summary of what the card is, what the card does, and why it may be beneficial for you to get. After that, we'll go over the 5% cashback category that the Chase Freedom has for the spring. Okay, so the Chase Freedom is what's known as a rotating category card. What this means is that every 3 months or every quarter, there will be a category where you'll get 5% cash back. For example, for this year, January through March 2020, the 5% cashback category was actually gas stations along with a few other smaller categories. That basically means on up to $1,500 in purchases at gas stations, you would get 5% cash back instead of just the 1% cash back regular. Meaning, say you spent $100 at gas stations, you would actually get 5% cash back or $5 on your statement. The Chase Freedom is a great card to have in your wallet, just as kind of like a backup card for these certain categories. So the strategy you would use with the Chase Freedom would basically be check the category for those 3 months and only use that card for that category. So for this upcoming quarter, which is April through June 2020, the 5% cashback category is mainly grocery stores. Now they do throw in fitness clubs and gym memberships into this, but I don't think anyone's going to be going to any gyms anytime soon, so I'm just going to disregard that. This means that from April to June 2020, anytime you go to a grocery store, you should be using your Chase Freedom card if you do have the card to maximize the value, because you'll be getting 5% cash back on every single purchase at the grocery store. So now what counts as a grocery store? But basically think all grocery stores that aren't like a Costco or a BJ's. So a Giant, Safeway, Fry's, all of those work. Basically whatever normal grocery stores in your area should work for the 5% cash back. Now, just as a reminder for this card, you actually have to go into your Chase account and click an activate button to actually activate your 5%. Meaning if you didn't do this and you say we're going to grocery stores for that whole time, you would only be getting 1% cash back because you didn't log in and activate your 5% cash back. Now what's cool about the Chase Freedom card is that it also earns you 5% cash back on Lyft rides throughout the year. So Chase has partnered with Lyft to get you this 5% cash back. So personally, I always use Lyft now over Uber because of that 5% cash back. Now, Chase has not put out their categories for the summer or fall yet, so those will come in another video probably in 2 to 3 months. Another thing to know about the Chase Freedom card is that the cash back they'll be giving you actually comes in Chase Ultimate Reward points. Now, you can redeem these points as cash back, as a lot of people do, but I think the number one perk to this card is that you can actually transfer your points from the Chase Freedom to the Chase Sapphire cards. Meaning that if you have the Chase Sapphire cards and redeem your points for travel rewards, you can use your Chase Freedom points towards that as well. If you guys haven't seen my videos on the Chase Trifecta, be sure to go up above and click those videos and watch them. If you haven't watched them yet, I definitely recommend going and giving them a watch because it shows you how to maximize your rewards from your Chase cards by using them for travel. Now, just as a quick reminder, each 3 months or every quarter, the category, whatever it may be, say grocery stores, you're only going to get that 5% cash back up to $1,500. So once you're past that $1,500, everything else goes to 1% cash back. So at that point, I would use another card that earns you a little bit better points. And just to give a quick heads up, at the point of me filming this video, I have 88 subscribers. At 100 subscribers, I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm going to give away a $5 Amazon gift card for free. All you have to do is go down below and comment on this video, and then make sure you go and comment on my next video along with liking them both. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to pick one subscriber at random, and I'll send you the $5 Amazon gift card. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to go down below and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out and this video reach more people. And if you're not already, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and hit the little alert bell. That'll notify you whenever I post. All right, be on the lookout for my next video and have a good one.